What if you could learn the secrets to getting what you want? How to promote yourself, the law of abundance, the science of attracting love. Well, you can. This coming Saturday, June 11, at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to be holding a 3 to 4 hour intensive called the Millionaire Master Key, based off of the works of Wallace D. Wattles. Bob Proctor credits Wallace D. Wattles' Science of Getting Rich for helping him to become the man that he was. He says that this book allowed him to move from being an employee to a business owner to a global speaker. What is it that you want? What do you want to attract in your life? This workshop is less than one of my coaching sessions. This workshop is only going to be $297. Not only will you get the actual live workshop, you'll also get the recordings of that live workshop as well as the PowerPoint presentation. Even if you feel like you can't attend the workshop, that's not a problem. If you can't attend, what's going to happen once the workshop has been completed? We'll send out the workshop as well as the PowerPoint presentation so you won't miss a thing. If somebody else was to charge you for this exact same workshop, you'd be probably paying, easy $997 plus. Some would even say $2,000 for the time that they would invest, in giving you this workshop. This workshop is $297. I can't even promise that we're going to be able to keep it at this price. If you're interested, go to the manifestation course at gmail.com and say, Coach, sign me up. Again, that's $297. It's going to be held on Saturday, June 11 at 1 p.m. Eastern Time until 4 or 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The Millionaire Master Key, based off of the works of Wallace D. Wattles, author of The Science of Getting Rich. The same author that Bob Proctor credited for his own success. What are you waiting on? Many of you are saying that, Coach, I want to transform my life. This is your opportunity. Sign up for the Millionaire Master Key by going to themanifestationcourse at gmail.com and say, Coach, sign me up. What I will do is send you out a payment agreement by way of PayPal. You must sign up by midnight, Friday, June 10th. Again, this is Coach DeCarlo saying, have a great and abundant day.